Today I'm going to cover the wedding process in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm going to cover some points from an immigrant perspective. To start with, here are the pointers. Marriage license is needed to get married in any of the US states, and marriage license is different from marriage certificate, and which is different from record of marriage. There are three different things. We will cover them all. The record of marriage will be in court records, and I'm not covering anything related to covenant marriages in this video. And Maricopa County, where Phoenix is situated, has no waiting period from the time when license is procured till the time they get married. So they can get married the same day, which is absolutely fine for some people who need to get married right away. Some states do not do that, so that's the reason Maricopa County is very convenient in that regard. And when a license is issued, it's valid for 1 year in Phoenix or Phoenix, Arizona or Maricopa County. How to procure a license? I'll show it to you on the browser as well. You just need to Google for online marriage license Arizona, and then you will, in the results, you will go to a particular link which I will show. Marriage licenses, Maricopa County Clerk of Superior Court, and once you access that, the link is showing in the tooltip. You can make an appointment here to get a marriage license. So here is how we search online marriage license Arizona. The first result that we see, this is the result that will launch this page. This is where you make an appointment, and the appointment booking, you can select a branch. This is the downtown service center, and select service, marriage license, English, and then select date and time. You see 20, 21, 26, 27, 28, all these are available. 22 is not available, it's completely booked. So this is how you see. And you'll see the different slots that are available as well. So 21st is pretty open. And then you fill in your contact details, and then you'll be good. I'm not going to do that now. Just like I showed you. Next is, once you have booked your appointment, you need to show up in person. Both the bride and bridegroom should go, and their documents will get verified, ID, address, etc. And for immigrants, your lawful presence in the country is also verified, right? Which is a stamped H1B visa or an I-797 letter or an F1 visa, things like that. The next thing that I want to tell you about is the marriage license fee. When you visit the clerk's office, you will pay $120.50. This actually includes the fee that they need to provide you with a certified copy of the certificate of marriage. I'll tell you what this is. If you need to change your spouse's name, or some passport services and visa services actually need a certified copy of your certificate of marriage, they do not accept just the copy of the marriage without certification. So you need to keep it in mind. Some military services also. And a best example for this is, let's say your spouse is non-working and you're the sponsor for your spouse and you both want to go to Europe on a vacation. Your visa will get processed and your partner's visa will get rejected because your partner sponsor is you and there is no document linking you both except for certificate of marriage. So this visa is called as a Schengen visa. If you look at many instances on the internet where you see the certified copy is not provided, that's the reason the Schengen visa has been rejected for the dependent partner who doesn't earn or who doesn't have money to sponsor their own trip. Okay, going further, you need to check the spelling, etc., everything on the license, your particulars and details, because once the license is printed, if you want to change, you need to pay $333. This price is accurate as of February 2022, and you need to fill this big form. I wouldn't want to do that. Okay, that's the reason. Check everything when the license gets printed. Okay, and over here, if you do not need a certified copy, then this price will get reduced. This is a sample license. Like I said, this has three parts in it. One is a marriage license, and then the certificate of marriage, and then the record of marriage. And usually after the ceremony, the bottom part, which is a record of marriage, this will be torn, and it will be placed in the county records. Now you have procured your license. Everything is good. From the day you procure your license, you have 1 year to get married. You can get married the same day that you procure the license as well. Um, so let's see what options you have got to get married. The first thing is a traditional ceremony. The other thing is a court marriage. For a traditional ceremony, you have already talked to an officiant who is registered with Maricopa County as an as an officiant for weddings. It could be a Hindu priest who is from the temple, or an imam. It could be anybody. So you need to approach them. They will perform the wedding, and at the time of the wedding, they will be filling out the license and the certificate of marriage. So they will have to sign. Two witnesses, bride and groom, and the officiant, all sign the license as well as the record of marriage. The officiant then tears out the bottom part, and you can keep the top part, which has license and certificate of marriage. And the record of marriage goes to the court, and the officiant has to mail the bottom part, or he can go to the court and hand deliver it. Okay. After 30 days of getting this done, you will get your certified copy if you have paid for it and if you have opted for it initially. Okay. Like I mentioned earlier, Schengen visa. And now comes the court wedding. If you need to get a court wedding after you procure a license, go to the court any day, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. within 1 year from the license issuance. This 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. is only specific to Phoenix, Arizona. Please check your own city, or if it changes. The same day is okay too. Like I said, only in Phoenix, Arizona, or in the state of Arizona. You just need to ask them that you need to get married, and then a courtroom with a judge's name will be assigned. They will check with you if you have $100 cash with you, which you require to get the ceremony done. Please make sure that you are carrying cash, no card. They won't accept cards. So you just wait there near the courtroom, and somebody will approach you, take you inside, and then the judge performs the ceremony here. The two witnesses, same as earlier, bride and groom, and the judge instead of the officiant, they all sign the sign the license as well as so they sign the certificate of marriage as well as the record of marriage. Okay, and the ring exchange is not mandatory in the court that we went to. We requested the judge that we'll do it at a later time, which is auspicious according to our tradition. And at the ceremony time, you need to pay $100, like I said, only in cash. It has to be cash. And the judge keeps the bottom part, which is the record of marriage, and then it's up to them, and it's their duty to deliver it to the records. After 30 days, again, if you have opted and paid the extra money for that certified copy, you will receive it. So this is not legal or marital advice. I just made this video for informative and educational entertainment purposes only. Do not act or refrain based on what is shared here, and I hope this was helpful for you.